Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I am going to unbox and do whatever type of assembly might be required and give an overview of this Craftsman 2.5 gallon portable wet/dry vac. And before we begin, make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions. And make sure that you read through all of the information on the packaging and any information that comes inside of the packaging before you assemble your Craftsman 2.5 gallon portable wet/dry vac and before you use your Craftsman 2.5 gallon portable wet/dry vac. Okay guys, let me, before I open this up, let me show you the different sides of the box. So I'm just gonna, I already showed you the front side there, so there's that side. There's that side. There's that side. Move this like this. Here's that side. And here's that side. Okay, and here is a warning that is on the flaps underneath the top part of the box. Open this up here. Got the hose there. It says this on the box somewhere. It said this was like a 5 foot. Let me see here. I want a 5 foot hose right here. Some of the accessories. Instruction manual. Okay, nothing else in the box there. Alright guys, so we're going to take a look inside here. I'm just going to lift these, or pull these out and then lift this off. Like that. Okay, and then here is the filter and what the inside looks like. Okay, so now I'm going to reinstall this. And this is the filter bag. And then there's like a retainer, I think they call this the retainer ring that goes around the bottom here. Okay, so I'm just going to reinstall this. And just make sure that it's secured into place. Here's the on-off switch right here. This side is the inlet port. And then, so this is where you vacuum stuff into the vacuum. And then if we turn this around, this side is the outlet port. So this is where this can be turned into like, you know, a blower, the outlet port, so it'll blow out air. Okay, so let's put the attachments on here. Okay, and then it shows the power cord. I just gotta untwist this. It'll take just, let me make sure this is, yeah, we're in frame. Take a moment here to do this. straighten this out a little bit first. Want to be gentle with the power cord, but it can wrap around here like this. Something like that. And then there's a part, this part here that can clip over the cord. Let me take this off so you can see, just like that there. So try to get the accessory back on. Just want to be careful not to hurt the cord. Okay. Okay, and then with the hose, there's a part here that says insert here, and then down here it says turn to release. So when I'm going to install this into the inlet port, so I'm just going to push this in until it secures into place. And I could hear it click into place. And then just making sure it's secured into place. And then to release it, I'm just going to turn it and then pull away from the vacuum. Just like that. Okay, so to store the hose, I have it disconnected from the vacuum and wrapped around the power head assembly like it shows in the instruction manual. All right, guys, and it talks about on the box too that the right here it says 2.5 peak HP, so like peak horsepower. There is an asterisk. So let's see if we can figure out what that means. Okay, right there is the asterisk that talks about the peak horsepower. And here is some information that talks about the gallons. All right, guys, I hope that this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching.